Hello, I'm Mr. Sinclair and I teach at North Webster Junior High. I teach 7th grade science. If you would like to get a hold of me, my email is toby.sinclair@websterpsb.org. Don't forget you can check the school board's portal, the COVID-19 portal, and get some extra activities you want to do at home. But today we're going to make a stress ball. What you're going to need is some balloons. You can get them at dollar store for $1. You're gonna need flour, you're gonna need a bottle, you're gonna need some kind of funnel system. I just took regular old paper, rolled it up, I'm gonna put it in the bottle, take a cup of flour, you can't just pour it in there or it'll spill everywhere, and then I take a spoon and I make a little mess, but we're gonna clean up afterwards. Get it all up in the bottle. Shake it and get it to come out of the bottle. Just like that. They probably make better ways to get the flour in the cup, but we got to get it in here before we can put it in the balloon. When you're doing it at a spoonful at a time, it takes a little while. So with all this coronavirus quarantine stuff, I figured a lot of us are stressed, so making these stress balls will help relieve some of the stress. Just got to get the flour in the bottle. Probably a couple more spoonfuls will work. You notice I am making a mess I won't have to clean up. This should do if I can get it all in there without making too big of a mess. All right, so we got about a cup full of flour in our bottle. I'm gonna make these green. They didn't really have any purple balloons, so I'm gonna have to make a little Christmassy color. Take a balloon, blow it up. Now you don't want to tie it, but you want to twist it. Give you plenty of slack to put it on the bottle. So twist the balloon so the air don't come flying out and blow into your bottle. And once you twist it, take the end part and put it over your bottle without knocking your bottle over. Now let your balloon untwist. And you have it. Now you're going to flip it over. And just squeeze the bottle. Get all that flour into your balloon. All right, now, once all the flour's in the balloon, take it off your bottle, set it to the side. Now, if you let all the air out at one time, you're gonna have flour everywhere, so don't do that. Let it off slowly. Little flower come out the top. That's all right. We'll clean that up. Okay. Now I have that done. You might want to pour some of that flour back in to your scrap pile. You're going to take a pair of scissors and cut just the top. Just the top. Okay. Now take your second balloon, preferably the same color so you don't have any mismatch at first, and cut just the neck of the balloon. And you just go to that. Take the balloon, put your fingers in. Now you have your, right on top of that spot where the flower's sitting, push down, pick up from by underneath, and shove it all up in that balloon. Now you got a little air pocket, so you gotta push it around. And there you have it, a stress ball. Now, we'll put it all up in there. Pull it around. Now where you have that hole, you can take a different color balloon. Like I said, I'm gonna make this a little Christmassy. I'm gonna cut the neck out of this one. And then I'm gonna cut the side just a little bit. And then I'm gonna flip it. Cut the other side just a little bit. Try to do it about the same with both sides. Then I'm gonna get on the bottom and cut just a little bit. And where you put that other part, you want to pull it apart. Put your balloon in there. And now you have a stress ball. I made one earlier, it's a blue one. You have a red one. Don't forget, I'll be online from 9 to 12 every day, Monday through Friday. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. The portal's there. Hope y'all have fun. Also, when you get through watching this video, put a comment. Show me that you made it. Add a picture of what you did. Send me a comment of what you want me to do next. I look forward to hearing from all y'all. Thanks. Stay safe.